In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Claude quickly and the two easiest ways to get started, whether you want to use it in your browser or install the desktop app for a more dedicated workspace. Claude is one of the most powerful AI assistants available right now, and once you know how to access it properly, you can start chatting, coding, brainstorming, and using tools like Cowork mode much faster. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first and fastest way to open Claude is through your web browser. Open Chrome, Safari, Edge, or whichever browser you prefer, then go to Claude.Ai. Once the page loads, you'll land on the Claude web platform where you can sign in and start using it right away. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If you're new, follow the prompts to create an account and verify your access. After that, you'll be taken into the Claude interface where you can begin typing your first prompt, asking questions, generating content, or using Claude for coding and productivity tasks. This browser method is ideal if you want instant access without installing anything. It's also great if you're switching between devices or just want a fast way to open Claude from any computer. Now, if you want a more permanent setup, the second method is to download the official desktop app. To do that, open your browser and go to claude.com/download. On that page, you'll see the official native client for your device. Download the app that matches your operating system, then install it like any other program. Once the installation is complete, search for Claude on your computer and click the Claude app to open it. After it launches, sign in with your account and you'll have access to Claude in a dedicated desktop workspace. This is especially useful if you use Claude often and want a separate app instead of keeping it in a browser tab. The desktop version can make it easier to stay focused, and it gives you a cleaner, more app-like experience. So to recap, if you want the quickest route, just go to Claude.ai in your web browser. If you want a full app experience, download it from claude.com/download, install it, search for Claude, and click to open it. Both methods are simple, and both will get you into Claude in just a few moments. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more AI and software how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.